Your boy King Cobra back at it with another food review. Coming at you with the Burger Den. With the burger in question is a bacon cheeseburger called Bacon Me Crazy Cheeseburger. And the only thing I did to it was make it a double. Had I been able to, I would have added extra cheese and extra bacon, but I digress. And on the side for our drink, we have a ice cold Coca-Cola. And I didn't get French fries this time. I got beer battered onion rings. That's what's up. And I'm going to put this ranch on top of the burger. This is a bacon ranch from Signature Selects. These are the same cool Cobras who make the peaches and cream waters that I like so much. However, I will say this, no offense to Signature Selects, but Hidden Valley Bacon Ranch tastes way better. So before we get into the burger, let's crack open the ranch. Bacon Ranch. Yeah, if you haven't tried Hidden Valley Bacon Ranch, you're missing out, man. Alright, so we have the goods. I'm going to peek in there. I see the holes. Oh, that smells good. Got our napkins. Let's bust open the seal. The Bacon Me Crazy burger. That's fucking hilarious. That sounds like something they would put on Bob's Burgers. The Bacon Me Crazy. Ha! Hilarious. We got the goods. Let's take a little bit of that bacon ranch. And we're going to put it on our onion rings. Just a little drizzle on a couple of them. We don't want to like drown them in the ranch. Then I want to stick some of this on our burger too. Look at the burger, man. That's going to be good. Let's try one of these onion rings first. Burst the flavor. Let's find out. Oh, yeah. Burger King's onion rings can eat your heart out because these are scrumptious. I did let it cool off because this was piping hot when I got it. Look at the size of this fucking burger. That is massive, tubes. We're just going to leave it in the wrapper so it makes it easier and less messy to eat. Now, the burger comes with, as you can see, lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickle. Your standard burger veggies, lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, onions. This also has avocado on it. And cheese. What do you think, YouTube? You want a bite of that? I'm going to get a bite of it. There's the avocado sliced right there. Set that down for a second. I got ranch all over my face. I'm a hot mess, YouTube. Well, actually, if anyone's a hot mess, it's probably my ex-girlfriend, but I digress. All I had to do was like lift up the top bun, put a dash of that ranch on there, give you a 2-bite review. Yeah, it's all over my goatee. Gross. Got ranch on my goatee. At least it ain't on my pants. At least I didn't get ranch on my pants. Anyways. That is phenomenal, YouTube. That is a good burger. And I know good burgers because I have Asperger's. All jokes aside, though, this bacon cheeseburger is a double bacon cheeseburger. And I don't think they added extra cheese or bacon to the bottom patty, which is kind of a disappointment. No, they did not. That's just how it comes, I guess. My only critique is if you're going to make it a double, be sure to add cheese and bacon to the bottom patty as well. But I digress, because YouTube, 1 second, because this burger is fucking delicious. Oh shit. Unwrap the goods. Unwrap the goods. Look out. It's dripping bacon, grease, and juice off the wrapper. Oh, that is sexy. But I'm not complaining about not having an extra cheese on it or bacon, because this burger is phenomenal, YouTube. It's got avocado on it, which is really a good choice for a bacon cheeseburger. Got a chunk of avocado that slipped out. If I were to order this again, I would definitely order cheese and bacon on the second patty as well. But DoorDash did not give me the option, so that's the only reason why I couldn't do it. I'd have to go to their restaurant to try it like that next time. But what am I going to give the Your Bacon Me Crazy cheeseburger from the Burger Den? With the bacon ranch that I added to it for extra flavor. Let me just box that back up real quick. And that's a pretty big burger for what I paid for it too, man. So that's why let's see, let's try another onion ring. Beer battered onion ring with bacon ranch. I just finished wiping my hands off. And put the napkins up with burger here real quick. Put the bacon ranch in the fridge. What did Cobra think of this burger? What did Cobra think of this bacon cheeseburger that I was just snacking on? I'll be snacking on later on for the evening as I get hungry again. 1 second. Should get the Coca-Cola situation settled. It came with this seal on the top of it, so I have to tear that off. Because, you know, you're going to want a straw for your Coke. No, but jokes aside, let's try some of this soda pop action. I'm going to grab a sip of this Captain Morgan Variety Pack pineapple goodness. And chase it with the soda pop. That burger, despite the fact it didn't have, like, cheese and bacon on the bottom patty, it's good. It gets the Cobra seal of approval. That burger is delicious. So I guess if you go to the Burger Den and you want extra cheese and bacon on the bottom patty as well, just ask for it. Overall, I'd give that the Cobra seal of approval. Very tasty. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you're local, check out the Burger Den. And the Bacon Me Crazy Burger, the puns. It's definitely a Bob's Burgers type kind of pun, you know what I'm saying? And is it delicious? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they have a variety of burgers to check out. That's kind of what they do. It's kind of in their name, is it not? The Burger Den. The Burger Den. I had a pretty awesome weekend, man. I was hanging out with some fans of mine. Shout out to Amber and Soft Magic Clay. That's what's up. And of course, their awesome dog Miso. Hell yeah, man. They're good people too, man. And they definitely care about me. Like, no doubt about that. But they got all kinds of fucking, burgers you can try. You can build you up a burger. You can do a wake and bacon burger. Vibe with shrooms burger, which has mushrooms on. Not those kind of mushrooms, unfortunately. They got the Spill the Bourbon burger. The Mad for Mozza burger, which has mozzarella cheese sticks on it. And what else they got? Double the Fun burger, which looks like it does come with cheese on the bottom patty. And then they have the Feel the Burn burger, which is a spicy version of it. And the Rodeo burger, which has got like barbecue sauce and onion rings and stuff. And they got shakes, like an Oreo shake, a chocolate shake. The Pig and Chicken burger, which is a chicken sandwich, basically. They got strawberry cheesecake milkshake, and they got a strawberry milkshake. And they got items for the younger audience, too. They got New York style cheesecake, the Raid and Roast chicken burger, Baja Beach chicken burger, Build Me Up a Grilled Chicken, so you can create your own chicken burger if you want. And the Fire It Up chicken burger, which is their spicy chicken sandwich. And then for you weirdos out there who like veggie burgers, what's wrong with you? They have a build your own veggie burger for the vegans out there. They got a vanilla milkshake. And by the looks of it, they got Dr. Pepper and root beer, so basically Coke products. And yeah, honestly, if I were to go to this restaurant in person, I would definitely order it with more cheese and more bacon, and I'd order the exact same thing, and I'd probably have to bring the ranch with me, unless they had ranch in store, and then I'd rather use their ranch just so they're not like, hey, you know what I'm saying? They might get offended if I. But anyways, YouTube, it's your boy King Cobra. And check out the Captain Morgan original variety pack. This is one of their flavors. It's really good, actually. I'll show you the... of course, I kind of low-key did a review of it earlier, but Captain Morgan has these variety packs that have like a variety of flavors. I think there's like... I'll just show you the case real quick. Cheers, YouTube. You gotta check these out. These are the Captain Morgan Sliced Variety Pack. They have 4 delicious flavors to check out. Look at that. I had to do the Captain Morgan stance anyways. Genuine quality from Captain Morgan. We have Pineapple Daiquiri, which is the one I'm drinking right now. Strawberry Margarita. Mango Mai Tai, and Passion Fruit Hurricane. And I tried all 4 of these flavors, which I got one of each left. They're pretty good. My favorite out of the bunch would have to be the mango for sure. But these are for adults 21 and up. Then we got a sip of this. Anyways, Cobra fam, you see the chairs had some work done to it. All the holes are patched up. And the cushion's back where it needs to be. Courtesy of Soft Magic, of course. I'll catch you later.